all my beautiful, beautiful people. This is Val with This Is How You Do It. And I got some flour here that I'm putting in with some hash browns and egg and seasoning. I'm using the flour to make a potato, sort of like a potato pancake. See that? Making it stick. Making it bind it together. And that's how I'm binding it together. Throw some of these onions in here. Throw some of this meat in here. And throw some of this cheese in here. Mix it all together. Now because there's no seasoning in it, throw a little black pepper in it. Very little seasoning if any. Throw a little of this pink salt in here. And this don't need a greasing, but I'm going to do it anyway. And try to make these little potato hash browns. I'm going to make small ones. Cut it down some. I went to close that door because the fan, if I turn the fan on and the smoke be going back there where it will it, so when I turn the fan on, it'll be too loud for y'all. I was looking for my rubber spatula. Here it is. You know that cheese is going right in there, man. You know, sometimes we just gotta let stuff sit and don't mess with it. Smells good. If y'all had smell-o-vision, you would love this. I just don't know how it's gonna pick up. That's my whole deal. We have to get a little plate to tell you the truth, y'all. A little saucer. You know how you put it on there and lift it up? That's what I'm going to do. But I'm going to pause this for a few minutes and let it cook a little longer. I do have the fan on. So that's what you hear. I'm going to flip it. Put it back in now. It's just easier that way, y'all. Do it the way your mama showed you how to do it. And then let it cook. The mama used to say that. Put it on that plate, flip it upside down, and go on about your business. Okay, beautiful people, I believe it's done now, and you can make yourself several of these. I'm going to show it to you. This is your hash brown pancake. Hash brown pancake. And you sew it on both sides. Same deal. On the back, same deal. Enjoy. And this is Val. This is how you do it. I talk to all you beautiful people in the next video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up if you like this kind of thing. And I talk to you guys later. Bye bye now.